So, I plopped last night and this is the result. Kind of feel like I look like something out of the 70s. I don't know. Let's put on some makeup. First, we're starting off with some Smashbox. So today I want to do like a nice chatty, old-fashioned get ready with me. I love filming these. Been doing it since the beginning of my YouTube career. It just really brings me back to my roots. I haven't really been out in the sun, so my face has reverted back to its natural white state. I don't know if you guys can see, but my body is many shades tanner than my face. So we're going to use some of my CC cream. Oh, I got too much. Trust me, this is like what my skin color actually is. I know it looks like I'm smearing peanut butter all over my face, but yeah, I don't even have a mirror. Can I not? Sometimes you just have to smear peanut butter on your face if your face does not tan properly. Oh wow, it almost sounds like I have a voice filter on. It's kind of orange. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I want to tell you guys about the dream I had last night. So, I know I'm not obsessed with cow print. Maybe I am, I don't know. I might be. So last night, I met Kylie Jenner. I know, that's crazy, right? Yeah, I was literally hanging out with her and her friends, and Jeffree Star was there. Don't know why. No one really wanted him there. I definitely didn't. But yeah, so I hung out with Kylie. We were in a garage having a party. It was my garage, actually, now that I think back. We were having a party for Kylie Jenner in my garage. And no, I don't have a cool garage. It's ugly. So I don't know why we were there, but I'm not gonna question it. You know, it was Kylie's birthday party. Whatever she wants, she gets. We were listening to music and a song came on and there was a line about being a billionaire, and I looked at Kylie and I was like, girl, you can relate or something. And she started cracking up. She thought I was so funny, even though I wasn't. I just made one joke about her being a billionaire, which isn't even a joke because she is one. I look kind of scary. But yeah, meeting Kylie Jenner was pretty crazy. Now I'm actually like matching with my body, which is so nice. This is the best powder ever. Okay guys, milk makeup. It's just the truth. I really want to do that TikTok trend where you like blow the powder, but I can't waste this powder because I love it. I don't know what my mood is right now. I feel really off. I'm just gonna roll with it and not question it. There was something else I wanted to tell you guys. Oh, maybe it was about my hatred for mosquitoes. Nothing goes on in my life. Like, we're literally in quarantine, and the conversations I've resorted to having with you guys is me talking about my dreams and mosquitoes biting me. But first, let's get back into the makeup. I'm gonna contour next. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I use these brown shades. So usually when I contour, this side of my face looks amazing and the other side looks bad, and I think it's because I hate the other side of my face. Like, when I look at it, it makes me feel uncomfortable. Like, it's just the ugly side of my face. So no wonder all my makeup looks worse over there. That looked atrocious. The thing that I'm actually the worst at is by far applying bronzer and contour. I know how to be patchy, that's for sure. And I think it comes from this trait that I have where I don't like taking my time with doing makeup, with painting. I just grab a whole bunch and I smear it on the canvas. It's always how I've been. And I do that with my face too. I just take too much. Instead of working slowly and building it up, I'm just like, when I need to just chill out and be delicate. Maybe one day I'll learn. This is just how I am. Speaking of change, do you guys think that humans change ever, or are we like innately who we are? I actually don't want to talk about that. That's so boring. And we don't even have an answer. Oh, I saw this blush trick where you don't bring it all in to your cheeks and it makes your face better. Maybe we'll try that. I feel like when I put blush up here, it makes me look like a 40-year-old woman. I'm really resisting the urge to just put blush all over the middle. I gotta put it on my nose at least. Okay, I can do this. I don't even know if it looks better. Kind of already brought it pretty far in. So I'm taking Tartiest Toasted palette, and we're just gonna use the orange shade in here and literally just go to town. Maybe I should use a transition color, but you know, my too much gene just already took over. I'm like already almost done with my makeup. I never move this quickly when I'm talking because I can't multitask for anything. I have no rhyme or rhythm. We're just shoving orange all over my eyelid and rubbing it around. Then I'm gonna take like a light color and just highlight my inner corners. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already might have heard that I got attacked by mosquitoes. One bit me in my forehead. Like, what kind of psychopathic mosquito does that? That's not normal behavior. I think he needs to get some help. There's nothing to even get for my forehead because there's my skull. Like, I don't know. I really couldn't tell you what was going through his little brain when he did that. TikTok told me about this bug bite thing, literally called the bug bite thing, that gets rid of bug bites. I tried it and it didn't work on any of my bug bites. So now I am sad and I believe that TikTok is a scam. When are the scientists gonna develop something that kills them all? I saw a tweet that says mosquitoes really wake up every day and choose violence. It's true. That's all that they do, is just attack others. Can you imagine if there was a vegan mosquito? I would love to see it. So using just like an angled brush, I'm gonna take some blue eyeshadow, this like aqua blue, pretty color, like literally just draw the eyeliner. That's like step one, and I'm just going over it to make sure it's real vibrant. And then I'm gonna take a powder brush to like flick off any of the fallout. So now, all that you do is you take an eyeliner that is like really, really skinny. We want the skinniest of skinny eyeliners, and you just outline it. That's it. There's no like tip or trick to this. You just do it. Just like that. And now you have an outlined eyeliner. It looks kind of weird. I've never done this kind before. And then flick away. And then we outline. And the pen that I'm using to do my outlining is the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner. It's the thinnest little tip ever and it's super flexible, so it's really easy to use. And I've had this for like 3 years and it hasn't dried out. Maybe more. It might be 4 years. But it is drying out now, as you can see. Oh yeah. Is gray. The blackest and most permanent eyeliner is the Tartiest Pro. This one's really great, but I don't like the tip as much. It's more difficult to use and it kind of like can bleed a little bit. But I mean, I don't know if we really have an option at this point. I think I'm gonna have to go over everything with this. Literally just make like really small strokes and you should be good. This looks kind of weird, but I mean, it's makeup. There's no right answer. I don't like this. I don't like it with the thick line. I feel like it looks weird. Maybe it will look better when I do my mascara. Oh, it's so tiny, whatever. I'm thinking of something I could add to this to make it cooler. And I kind of feel like drawing like stripes in it, but I know I shouldn't do that. I definitely shouldn't. I don't know, let's add glitter on my eye because, you know, that always makes me feel better about every look I do. I just add this and then my whole look is transformed. Kylie Night Swim Shimmer Eye Glaze. I'm obsessed with it. You just tap it and then put it on. And it's just so pretty. I love it. This eyeliner is just kind of crazy. Let me do mascara and then I'll come back and we'll see how I feel about it after that. Okay, yeah, mascara brings the whole thing together. If I don't say so myself, mascara brings the whole thing together. I've never done a transatlantic accent until now, and that was trash. I don't think I should ever do it again. I'm gonna stick to what I know, which is country. That looks way less ugly, so. Time to do some lip liner. Let's give us some beautiful, luscious lips. I'm overlining, and I'm using Thrive Cosmetics. Kind of got rid of my Cupid's bow because we don't need her. Are we done? That is the finished like eye look and whatnot. Do we like it? I don't know. I'm gonna spray my face with some finishing spray. My favorite one is the Hangover 3-in-1. After I spray my face with that, I always like to repowder it in a little bit because it kind of leaves a little bit of like a shiny cast. I don't know what to do with my hair. It's really insane today. I don't know. Now my face has like dried a little bit. I like to repowder because I like a more matte face. I don't like too shiny, except for like my upper cheekbone, but I definitely don't like the middle of my forehead being shiny. I don't know how girls put highlight there. Like my natural grease will do that for me in a few hours, so no need to jump the gun. Should I put together like an outfit? I wish I had like really stylish clothes, but I feel like I don't. The girls I see on TikTok that do like really cute outfits, and I have a way with words. Honestly, I don't even think this outfit is cute. Okay, I'm literally doing a lunge to show you guys. Here are my shorts. I have mosquito bites all over my legs, so I really wanted to cover that as much as possible without overheating outside. And this shirt is casual but cute, perfect for swinging a golf club. Alright guys, make sure you're subscribed so you can tune in next time when I come back with a different video. If you made it all the way to the end, comment, I'm going to try this today, and then I'll know you're a real one. And if you guys do try this out, I want you to like send me a picture on Instagram or tag me or something. I don't know. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.